Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video guys, I'm going to teach you how to download Vice City or GTA Vice City on your laptop. So as you can see right now, I'm currently using OS, which is Windows. If you have a Apple or a, what do you call this, an iOS version or a MacBook, please stay on the video because it's literally the same process, okay? Even if this is your desktop, for example, you just want to download GT's Vice City on your desktop, please stay on the video. It's literally the same process also. So the first thing you want to do is, of course, head on to update settings. Windows update settings right there. We just want to make sure we're all good on our Windows update. As you can see right here, I am up to date. Please don't mind this notification that says this PC doesn't meet the requirements for Windows 11. That's not really important. So make sure this is updated. You can see this message right here, okay? So next up is going to be opening Steam. So for example, you don't have a Steam account, make one please and then download this application. If you don't know where to download Steam, I'm going to teach you real quickly here. Open any browser of your choice. Let's head on to there. Download Steam real quickly right there. And then you're going to see this very first result. Click on that one, this link, and you'll see this click button. It says install Steam. That being said, that should do it. And then you're going to have Steam on your desktop. So this is where we're going to get a GTA San Andreas and Vice City and any other things to do. Okay? So with this one, simply head to store, make sure you're in this slot right here. And of course, the most important one is you're logged in. If you don't have a Steam account, Gmail will do, just log in with there. Make sure you have an active Gmail where you can access to it. Because Steam is going to send a verification code to that email, okay? Now once you're in this section that says Team and Store, make sure you head on to this search button and just simply type in GTA Vice City. Okay? Give me a second right here. Now, the important keywords here are different from each game. And as you can see right there, Grand Theft Auto Vice City, the definitive edition is right here. So this game may contain content not appropriate for all ages. Make sure you just log in your age and view page. Because again, Vice City, disclaimer, I think it's 16 years old and above or 18 and above. Minors aren't allowed with this game, except especially with this rating right here. So that's gonna be it. Grand Theft Auto Vice City. This is where to download it. You can add to cart specifically and then buy it from this page. Okay. After buying it, it will be installed instantly, and you can play it via Steam. Only the thing is, you cannot play it without Steam. Okay. That being said, thank you so much for watching this video. That's how you download Vice City's GTA on your laptop. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. Have a safe one, guys. Bye for now.